Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to open and edit a PDF file directly inside Google Docs. Google Docs allows you to upload any standard PDF document and automatically convert its text into editable content. First, open Google Drive in your desktop web browser by navigating to drive.google.com. Click the plus New button in the top left corner of your Drive dashboard and select File Upload. Choose the PDF file from your computer storage and click Open to upload it to your Drive library. Once uploaded, locate your PDF file inside Google Drive and right-click directly on the file card. Hover your cursor over Open With at the top of the context menu and select Google Docs. Google Drive will process the file, convert the optical text into an editable document, and open it in a new Google Docs tab. You can now edit, reformat, or delete the text, add images, and type new content just like a normal Google Doc. When you finish editing, go to the top menu bar, click on File, hover over Download, and select PDF Document.pdf to export your edited file back to PDF format. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.